Lian. So after reconnecting and reassembling all the cables, the PC can now be turned on. I've did a bit of rewiring at the back as well, so go ahead and show you. And just so you know that the PC is booting correctly, I was able to get into BIOS, and I also insert a Windows installation disk, so you know that it is able to put into Windows installation properly. I'll just let it load. Yep, there you go, Windows logo for the installation. So it's putting up correctly. So showing you the back, so all the fans are spinning, as well as lighting up as well as the middle arrow. So it's all looking good. Showing you the back, where I did quite a lot of reshuffling. You didn't leave me any cable ties, so I just used a bit of my own. So what happens is, let me turn up the brightness a bit. So I've changed the positioning of your power supply so that it's easier for me to route the cables. In the bottom position, it's very difficult, but at the top it's a lot easier because the power cables can be slotted to the top, and the bottom we can just concentrate on the fan cables and controllers. So basically, one lot of fans, or the RGB strip, is controlled by the RGB control panel, which is accessible from the bottom here, so there's no blockage. And the AIO cooler and the AIO cooler fans is controlled by this controller here, which is also accessible on the right. And once you put on the cover, once you install the cover panel here, the back will be fairly clean, and you can also access the controller very easily from the side using your fingers, and from here directly from the side. These 6 speakers, 6 fans, the 3 at this side here and the 3 at the top, these 3 is controlled by the controller, which is hidden in there because there's no control there. But you will just have to install the Lian fan software, and you'll be able to control those. So your cooler and bottom fans is controlled by the controller. Your 2 strips is controlled by the controller, and your top 3 fans and back fans will be controlled by RGB software, Lian. Okay, so that's all good now. Here this installation books.